Hi, I'm Monster1970, and today I'm going to be trying to eliminate this older 2 ECU system in the 1984 Honda Shadow VT500C and replace it with this one from a 1986 Honda Shadow VT500C. Let's get started. I'm going to try to feed this up through here. Slide the box in and then feed the wire up through there. Okay, one other thing I want to do. First I want to see how this is going to fit up through there. It should just slide right in here. And the wire should fit up through the top. Try to slide this up over there. Put the solenoid in that boot like that. Try to slide it up over. Get the box up around there. It seems to be in place. This hose will go up through for the battery. I have a bolt that'll go here. I got a door that goes on here. Looks like the wires should reach. Everything pulled up through to the top. I don't know which side is left or right, and I don't really know if that box actually works. I presumed that it did. Okay, that looks like that'll work. Let me find the bolt. See if the battery will slide in there, hopefully. Should. Okay, got the hose kinda in there. Get the positive up over it. Door with the regulator fits in there. Hopefully. I'm gonna straighten it out. Let's try again. I might have to remove the regulator. Okay, now let's try it. I don't know if I can get regulator back up in there. Yes, that'll go on. And this should go up in underneath it. Let's go back off. It's got to go back behind there. Negative. I'll put the regulator over top of it. Okay, that's on. It should be good. Okay. Let's move to the top and we'll take care of the wiring up there. Okay, we've got this bracket. So all these connectors are going to run up through. And it should go right like this. So we've got this big one running through here. And I'm going to put some dielectric grease on these. Hopefully my other two wires reach. Looks like they will. They should go over there. Houston, I think we have a problem. They're backwards. Ah, crap. Well, this isn't going to work. So I'm going to have to take the battery back out and put the old battery box back in and put it back together. Okay, now that I've got all the connectors back up through and the old ECUs are in place, I'm going to start putting everything back together. So I'm going to start with the small one over here. There's two. And this is one. So that'll go up like that. And we have this little one down here, which will go down this way. Should go in here. We should be good to go. Now that's locked in there. Anything I have to do yet is hook the negative up. Now let's see if she starts up. back together. All I gotta do is put the seat on yet. Okay, to get the seat back on, all you have to do, let me take these 2 bolts out of here. Front end underneath the tank, and then put the rear back up on there. Tighten these bolts up. They're 10mm. Put this box back in. It has a 5mm Allen bolt. Ratchet, whatever that is. Here it is. Tighten that up, and that should do it. Well, that'll do it for basically trying to fit a 1986 ECU engine control unit in a 1984 Honda Shadow VT 500C. You can see it would have fit if the connectors were correct, and it might work if you were to cut the connectors off, cut the wiring off, and then rewire it with the proper connectors, so you had a male into a female instead of 2 females and 2 females. But I wasn't going to do that. It was working before. I just wanted to see if it would work with the newer one in. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.